Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I want to show you guys how you can create a clickable phone number link inside of your WordPress website for free, super easy. I'm going to show you guys how to do that inside of this tutorial. Now, I am on a laptop, obviously, because that's how I design my websites, right? And if I were to, or if you look at the bottom left of the screen, you will see that there is a blue little notification that signifies that this is clickable and that this will lead somewhere. But right now, since I am on my laptop and I don't have things like Skype and Zoom and all that stuff integrated on my browser or on my computer already, my computer don't necessarily link to anything. However, if you do have Skype connected to your computer, if you have a MacBook, of course, you can make calls, if I'm not mistaken. Then, of course, this will be linkable or clickable for people on desktops. But ideally, most people are on their phones, so this works phenomenal for the phone. What it will do when someone clicks it is, of course, open the phone app on your phone and they can go ahead and call you from there. This is super easy for people, or super user-friendly for those of you who have websites where people need to be into contact with you, and you want to make it super easy for them to just click a button and boom, they're calling you. Let me show you guys how to do it step by step. It's super easy. Let's get into it. So the first thing is obviously to go to the actual page that you want to put this clickable text on there. So if you are trying to put this on your contact page, obviously go to the page and edit it with Elementor, and that's how you can do it. Or in my case, I have this in my footer. So what I need to go to is go to the place where I built my footer, which is the Elementor theme builder. So if I go over here to templates, go down to theme builder, I'm going to go ahead and open that. Once I have it open, of course, it will show you this page right here where you can see all of your theme parts. So I'm actually actively using the theme builder on this site. So of course, I see all of my parts. If you don't see it, don't fret. It doesn't matter, because all you're trying to do is put it to where you want to. And if you're trying to put it on your footer, like in this video, all you have to do is go and create a footer. So you just go here and you'll create a new footer. But for me, I already have my footer, so I'm just going to click on edit and open this with Elementor. Now that I have it open, the first thing I'm going to do is actually duplicate this, because I actually want to show you guys how it will look for you in real time if you do not have this on your website already. So let's go ahead and delete that little section right there. So now I'm on my footer. Now I know where I want my clickable phone number link to be. And I know I want it to be right here underneath the connect with us button and in between this map right here. So what I'm going to do is go over here to the left. I'm going to add a widget. Inside of the widgets, I'm going to search for the icon. And what I'm looking for is this one right here, which is called the icon list. I'm just going to drag and drop it exactly where I want. It's totally up to you. You do not have to follow what I'm doing to a T. So now that I have it where I want it, the second thing I'm going to do is go over here to the style. For the text, I do want to change this to something that I can actually read. And there we go. So the first thing we need to do is now delete the last two, because we only need to work with one right now, right? And as you see, when you first put in the icon list, it's going to have a check mark for the icon. And then for the text, it's just going to say list item number 1. These are the indications to let you know you need to open this up and you need to put in your own details. So for this one, we want it to be the phone number. So for the text item that I want to show right here, is going to be the number. All right, so now I have my number in here. Now, of course, I want it to be easy and legible for people that will be browsing the website. So I'm going to include my parentheses and my dashes between my numbers. That way it's just easier for people to read and digest that this is a phone number. Now, the next thing you see right here, you have the icon. So if you just click on that, if you're familiar with icon list, you kind of get the gist of this. You're just going to type in an icon. Obviously, we're looking for a phone number. Grab that, insert it, and then it's going to adjust it right there. Now that part is done, but how can you make this clickable that people, when they click it, they can actually call you? And that's where this little slot right here, the link, comes into play. So all we're going to do is type in tel, which tel is short for telephone. And this is just going to signify the internet, the browser, to then open up your phone app. So this is just going to be like an action verb right here. So now that we have tel, the next thing we need to do is type in colon. And once we do that, now it's time to paste in our phone number. So I'm just going to go back right here, I'm going to copy that and I'm going to just paste the phone number right here. Now, this is super important. Be sure to go ahead and delete the dashes and parentheses out of the phone number, because right here, essentially all we want right here is just numbers. We don't want all of the parentheses because it can't really read and pick that up. However, we just want the numbers right here. That is it. So be sure to, once you paste your number here, to remove the dashes and the parentheses. And that's pretty much it. Now, another thing that I would definitely recommend you do, because right now you see if we hover over it, it doesn't change color like this one does right here, which again, we are familiar with how hover states on websites kind of dignify or signify that something is clickable or that you can take some sort of action. So I highly recommend on your icon list, just go into the style tab, and on the icon and the text, because both of them are separate, be sure you click on the hover state and you change the color. So I'm going to change the hover state of the icon to the accent color, and I'm going to do the same thing here. On hover, change it to my accent color. And now if we were to hover over it, you see it changes the color. I'm going to now view it live. So let's go ahead and refresh. And as we see now, if we were to hover over this one, we now see that blue link at the bottom left, which indicates that it is ready and it is clickable. Now, like I said, on the desktop, it will open up things like Skype or team meetings or something like that that requires a call. However, most people will not be taking calls on their desktop, so don't fret if it does not work for your desktop. It's not working for me either because I don't have stuff like Zoom and all of Skype. I don't have those on my computer. However, on the phone, it works perfectly fine. Now, I did the same thing with the address. If you guys are looking to do that, I do have that video linked above. And if you guys are looking to take a one-on-one class with me where I show you guys how to build inside of WordPress and Elementor, be sure that you join my community because I do classes every Friday. That's all I have for today's tutorial, and I will catch you guys in the next one.